Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna see that how you can change the colors of eyes in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. I have opened an image, and first of all we will go to adjustment layer and then click on hue and saturation. After that we will click on colorize and move the slider to select our color that we want to use on eyes. I guess this one is fine. Then go to layers and then click Ctrl plus I. This will add a layer mask. After that we will go to brush tool. Make sure that the hardness of brush is 0%. Now I am coloring its eyeball. You can take your time to precise colorization. If something extra is added, we can adjust that later. You can see that a little bit of colors came outside of the eyeball. I am just taking my foreground color as black in a while. Now I am taking the black color and removing the color that goes outside of the eyeball. I guess it's perfect now. Then I'm going to adjustment layer again and click on hue and saturation. In this time we will take the same color but a little bit of different shade so we can add the glow effect on the eye. I guess this one is fine for me. Okay, then go to layers and click Ctrl plus I, same as previous, and now I'm taking the brush tool again and moving the brush on the eyeball. I'm just enhancing its visibility, just a little bit of glow. You can see just a very light glow to make it realistic. Now let's check the results. So you can see that the result is quite fine. Thanks for watching.